This is Algebra 2. We are on lesson 1-6 today. Today's date is Thursday, September 9th. That's not the right. Oh, yeah, it's September 3rd. There we go. 2020. My stylus has been dying on me for the past day now. So there's a good chance I might have to start actually typing in things manually or using my trackpad, God forbid. Our objective for the day, who would like to read that? Jade, go for it.
Use an area model to multiply binomials and polynomials.
Perfect. And I guess I should be, instead of sharing this, I should do this. So I'm going to.
Wow. You really did this, Mr. Sindel.
You still don't want to be on the- Great.
Can you add yourself in there too, Mr. Sindel?
No. Jade, can you hear me? Yeah, do you still want to be on the wheel? Yes or no? No? Okay. So she participated. She's off the wheel. Her name is Linda. All right. Here. Fernando. Hello.
Mr. Sindel,
Yes.
my internet's like really bad right now, so if I'm like disconnecting and coming back in, it's the internet.
Okay, cool. And then you can leave your camera off too if you have bad internet.
All right.
All right,
Because
so
you both are gonna be in a video, right?
yes, I'm recording this right now.
Okay.
Hi, YouTube. Jade read our objective, our rule from yesterday, or last lesson, I should say. Wyatt, go for it.
A times B times X to the power of N plus M.
N plus M. Perfect. And then I'll go ahead and take you off of the wheel too. Move this somewhere else. Wyatt, you're off the wheel. All right. And that same rule in words, again, from that whiteboard lesson from, I guess that was 2 days ago. Go back to your notes, 1-5. What is this rule in words? Charles, go for it.
Multiplying the coefficients and multiplying the exponents. Oh, adding the exponents, sorry.
Add the exponents. Nice. And then that means Charles off of here too. Come back up to Charles. All right, so now we have a bigger polynomial multiplication problem. And this one you definitely want to be using our tabular method, our general rectangle, because if you have to actually FOIL this thing out, you might get it a mistake and you will have a harder time finding where you made that mistake. So let me actually move this to the top. Here we go. General rectangle. Shoink and my lines are pretty bad. It's good enough. So there's going to be 3 segments here and 2 segments here, and I need to extend this line a little bit. All right, so obviously I put the 2 terms on the left, so I have 2x squared minus 3x. Notice that I keep the sign with that term. Also on the top, I have this 7x squared minus 5x plus 1. All right. This is going to be rapid fire, and a good way to get off of that picker wheel is to participate right now. And I'm only calling on someone new for this one. So sorry, people that have already participated. The first cell here, and if you know what you're doing, go ahead of us. 7x squared times 2x squared is what with the quiet raised hand? Looks like Andres has his hand up. Go for it, Andres.
14x to the power of 4.
14x to the power of 4, and Andres is no longer on the wheel. Next, Jose.
Be negative 10x to the power of 3.
10x to the power of 3. Thank you, Jose. He's off the wheel. 1 times 2x squared.
Mr. Sindel, your sound's kind of, you can't really hear you.
Your sound keeps dying.
Okay, I'm going to try. This Mac is just killing me. Give me. All right. Can you hear me through this now? Better? All right. How much better is it? Like on a fist of 5, let's do 2 fists. 1 being the sound before, 1 being the sound now. How bad, or what is the change? Before it was like a 2 and now it's like a 4. Give me 2 fists of 5. Oh, wow. That much of a change? Whoa. Oh my God. Okay. Well, I'll try to use this. This sometimes cuts out too, but at least it's generally better. Okay. 1 times 2x squared. There was a person that was raising their hand here. If I rename you, I can figure out who you are. I see the top of your head. Jenny, can you move your camera down too so I can see your face? You have a nice top piece of hair. Yeah, go for it, Jenny.
2x to the power of 2.
2x to the power of 2. And Jenny is off of the wheel. Doink. Bottom left. Someone that hasn't participated. Someone that has not participated. And yes, Josie. Uh-oh, you're still muted.
Negative 21x.
Yeah. Yep, negative 21.
Is there a 1 with
Yeah,
3?
so you, x to the power 3, perfect. And you might have noticed I'm using my trackpad now because my writing tablet died. If I unplug it and replug it in, will it come back to life? I don't know. Anyway, Josie's off of this. Joink. Someone that hasn't participated, that means I'm talking to Gunnar, Fernando, Cohen, Sergio, Jessica. Someone of you do this next cell. I don't know who that is with their hand raised and map in the background. Is that Jessica?
Yeah, that's me.
Okay, can you also move your camera down so I know who it is? Yeah, Jessica, go for it.
Would that just be 15x?
15x to the power of 1, or what power?
Wouldn't it just be 15x?
Not quite, because this is to the power of 1 here. This is to the power of 1.
So just to the power of 1?
1 plus 1.
2?
2, yeah, there it is. Yeah, thank you. Cool, Jessica is off that list. Choink. And then 1 times negative 3x. Someone new. 1 times negative 3x. Cohen.
Negative 3x.
There it is, negative 3x. And then we have to add all of the like terms. So here we go. Who wants to add all, or you can either find all the like terms or you can find them and add them. Who wants to do this next step for us? And it has to be between, oh, I should get Cohen off of here too. It has to be between Sergio, Gunnar, and Fernando. You can just identify the like terms or both identify and actually add them up. Who wants to do it? No one is doing it. This is why we have the wheel. It's Gunnar.
Ooh.
And I need to mute this because it almost blew out my eardrums.
Wait, identify like terms.
Yep. Go ahead and do it.
So 21x to the power 3 and negative 10. Wait.
Yep, those are both like terms. So I'm going to go ahead and underline both of
No,
those.
I'm going to need your help on this one.
Okay.
And then 15x squared and 2x squared.
There it is. So I'll do that in black and a circle. 2x squared. That's supposed to be a circle, but I'm using my trackpad. And 15x squared using my trackpad. Schwenk. Anything else?
No.
Exactly. Okay. So Gunnar, you're off the wheel. It's between Sergio and Fernando. Sergio or Fernando, please add these like terms up for us.
Can I do it then?
Yeah, go for it, Sergio.
So you can add negative 21x to the power of 3 with a negative 10x.
And what do you got?
It's a negative 31 to x to the power of 6.
Ooh, to the power of 6. Yeah, sorry. Like that. That's
Then-
not quite correct because, yeah, it's this power up here.
I know it's 3 because it's not times. You're adding it.
Exactly, yeah. When you add them, they don't change. And when you multiply them, they do add up. Perfect. So that's one of them. You want to keep doing them more, Sergio, or you want to give it to someone else?
I can do it.
Okay.
So it's then 15x to the power of 2 plus 2x to the power of 2. That's 17x plus 17x to the power of 2.
Perfect.
So, Mr. Shindo,
Yes, Andres.
when combining like terms, you don't multiply the coefficients in this occasion or not?
Nope, you
you
only
don't-
add them. Yep.
Okay.
So you add the coefficients and then you keep the same exponent. And if you can raise your hand next time, I'd really appreciate it.
My bad, Mr. Shindo. I won't do it again.
You're good. And then Sergio, we have those other two terms that we haven't used up. Where should they go?
So to the right. So it's plus 14x to the power of 4.
Right
So
here?
plus, yes. And then minus 3x.
Minus 3x. Cool. So this is mathematically correct. How do we turn this into standard form? What would we have to do here? Yeah, Sergio, you can do it too.
This is so the biggest power is 4, so it's 14x.
What would you do with this?
So you put like first.
Put it first, yep. So now it's in standard form, and I can get rid of the plus and move 3x. There, yeah. Now we have it in standard form. There is our final answer. Thank you, Sergio, and everyone else that helped do the problem.
Mr. Sando,
Yes.
does it have to be in standard form or just?
Always assume for my class, you need it in standard form, yes. Okay, let's try another one. Because we don't have any backside, you guys are gonna do this one on your own, and I'm gonna do breakout rooms so you guys can check with each other, and we'll come back and make sure that we got the correct answer. So give me a thumbs up if you've already copied this down. Thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up. Actually, even better, give me a raised hand if you need more time copying this down. 1, 2, 2 people, 3 people. Okay, I'll wait for a few seconds and let me get the breakout rooms. You don't have to go there until you've copied down the entire problem though. I'm gonna go ahead and pause recording. Hopefully my tablet works, and of course it's not going to. Hold on here. Now it's working. Okay, so